Hi kids, welcome back. Let's learn colors name. Orange color, yellow color, light green color, brown color and violet color. Kids, in this video we will press capital letters A, B, C, D, letter A to H. Let's stress A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for doll. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. Kids, now write capital letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for eagle. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for horse. Kids, read again. A. A for apple. A. A for alligator. B. B for ball. B. B for bat. C. C for cat. C. C for car. D. D for dog. D. D for duck. E. E for eagle. E. E for elephant. F. F for fox. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. G. G for gorilla. H. H for horse. H. H for house. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.